Are you a fintech enthusiast hoping to build a fintech career in Hong Kong? I am Brian, a fintech postgraduate student looking for a job after my graduation. I attended a job interview last month.
Do you have any experience working on fintech projects?
Sorry, no. What can I do to gain more hands-on experience? Then, I came across this program called Industry Project Masters Network. The IPMN program is organized by the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. It is introduced under the Fintech 2025 strategy, aiming to groom fintech talents in Hong Kong. The target participants are the fintech postgraduate students from these programs and universities. They will work on fintech projects for around 3 to 8 months. The projects will cover both technology and business domains. Here are some examples. There will be industry mentors from financial institutions, consulting and tech firms, and also university professors to guide students throughout the projects. Here are the participating banks and organizations. Application period varies according to university timetables. Application details will be sent to you by your university. After joining IPMN, I learned a lot from working on fintech solutions solving real-life pain points. I also did a good presentation that impressed my mentors. From mentorship to hands-on experience, it helped me gain both theoretical and practical fintech knowledge. Please join us. Scan the QR code for more information now.